Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like gold, y'all. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on goals on. Got the ass to the floor.
Back guys, so today we're here with Wow African again. Wow African here. This is the packaging. Of course, you know, everything is branded nicely. I got the wig in that drawstring, and then these are the goodies. I also got a thank you card in the box. Always love a good packaging. It just shows a certain level of professionalism and just, you know, the standards that the company has. So inside the goodie bag, first thing I am seeing is the branded Wow African like headband or scarf. You can use this if like when you're styling your hair and stuff. I got a rat tail comb which is also branded, a edge brush and comb, and spatula. I also got 2 clips. These are perfect to use when styling, and I got a pair of HD wig caps. Always love getting those because they give the most flawless looking instas. That's if you want to do like a full-on glue insta. But yeah, so for today's wig, I got this gorgeous wig. It's so beautiful and soft and nice. This is actually Wow African's Hollywood Wave HD lace closure, a 9x6 closure wig. It's a pre-everything wear and go glueless wig, guys. I'm gonna put the specific length and everything down below. It's 22 inches long. The density feels perfect, and I absolutely love the feel. It's super soft. I was just showing you guys the inside. It has removable combs which are attached by Velcro. It has a drawstring in the back, which is very convenient and easy to adjust the cap, but you're gonna see that in a bit. It has this curve which accommodates the shape of your ear, and you see how easy it is to adjust that drawstring. Super easy. Love it. The lace is pre-bleached, so you know everything looks like scalp and very melted. This is how it looks when once I pull it on. It's a medium cap, by the way. I go ahead and I cut off just that bit that doesn't have any hair at all on it, and it's a little casty, and it really didn't take off much. I'm just being very extra. You don't have to take it off if you don't want to, since it's such a small portion, but anything to minimize that cast, I'm gonna do it. And this is pretty much how I adjust the string in the back. Very easy, very to the point, and then all I do is tuck the string away beneath the cap light. So I was done with that. It was super secure. I went ahead and I got my face powder, you know, the usual, and I pretty much just dabbed that onto wherever it is I feel like there's too much cast in the front on the lace there, and I just take my time, press that in. It's really nothing technical. It's perfect for all my beginners to go ahead and follow this and install their wigs easily, you know. And yeah, super 1 2 3. After this, I pretty much just show you guys how much parting space it actually has. Remember, I tell you guys it's a 9x6 closure, so you could go ahead, you could put braids in it. Like if you want to do a whole different kind of style, you know, feel free to go ahead and explore. I love how they have upgraded these closure wigs since recent times. I've continued to mention this because I just feel like, yeah, they're doing it. So yeah, that's how that looks. Pretty much after this, I pretty much just go into getting the top really flat and laid with my hot comb. Yeah, just to make things look more melted and realistic. You guys know this is always a big step to me. I kept that bust down middle part because it's perfect, and that's the vibe I was in. I wanted to keep the center part. And after that, I pretty much just kind of fluffed the hair. These waves are to die for. They look so soft and classy. It's just the perfect wavy look, you know. I love it. You're gonna see me fluffing and finessing the wig in a minute after I'm done with laying it, but I'm kind of just, you know, speed through this portion. I even made the parting a bit more precise, you see that. But yeah, let's kind of just run through this portion with some music. That is it. Perfect. 10 out of 10. And it's glueless. I no adhesive, nothing applied, and it's melted. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Shout out to Wow African Hair once more. This wig is gorgeous. You're not seeing through the hair. The hair is super full. It's so soft. Oh, that is gorgeous. You can't tell me this is not gorgeous. It's flawless. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig down below. Go ahead, check it out if you're interested in getting it for yourself or anybody else. Any link, any discount code or anything I have will be listed down below. But that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.